limited. Defunct. Ultra rare.
Hats and caps unboxings. Today we have a Disney New Era hat. Let's take a look what we have in today. And there it is, Mickey Mouse. Hello folks! This is the all-over Mickey Mouse Snapback. And this is an international release. We'll get to that in a moment. But yes, Mickey Mouse. Very popular hats, Disney hats, New Era. A lot of the time they do not even come out in the United States. They come out overseas. Disney is extremely popular all over the world. All over the world. It's just the brand is cemented in history as one of the biggest. There's no doubt about that. Obviously the animation. Probably the biggest animator of all time. And this is the all-over Mickey, as mentioned, and as you can see in the visor, that is why it's called the all-over Mickey. Because it's Mickey Mouse everywhere. Hello folks, hello folks, hello folks, hello folks. That is Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, this is more of the newer age Mickey. There's different variations of Mickey throughout the years, but as time goes on, obviously characters get more developed or change, and that's the case even with Mickey Mouse. Side shot here, we got a red New Era logo. This is where the international part comes into play. As I mentioned earlier, Tokyo Disney Resort. So I'm assuming this is sold at the Disney Tokyo Resort. That's probably where you could purchase this cap, maybe even online. But this cap was probably, it's probably 2015 to 2020 type side shot. No side patches or anything fancy like that, and you can again see more of that Mickey. The cap, very smooth surface on the under visor, and it has 950 snapback. When you see a graphic on the visor, normally like a big time graphic or attention to detail graphic on the visor, they usually put a sticker underneath the cap to not take away from what's being seen on the front of the cap, front of the visor. So this is a polyester cap, but a wool crown, so you got the best of both worlds there. One size fits most, and the Tokyo Resort Disney, and more Japanese tagging. $9.50, of course. Think of this cap, like it or love it, dislike it or hate it. It is kind of a busy hat, but if you were a fan of Mickey Mouse, I think you'll enjoy it because it captures the whole essence of Mickey and Disney, and that's what some people want. That's for sure. It is a little busy, but again, it's a niche category hat per se, but obviously very heavy. Disney's very popular, so but it is still niche, considered niche. If you like this type of content, subscribe. If you want to purchase the cap, the sponsor's right there. Shop.famousthinking.com, shop.famousthinking.com, and shop.famousthinking.com. Free shipping USA and shipping worldwide. Biggest selection of Disney hats out of any other hat carrier website. Thank you for watching, and have yourself a wonderful day. We'll catch you with another Disney video in the future. Bye-bye.